again, remember, this is your transfer. Transfer is not easy, which is why we do it as a group. Okay. I expect you to be asking questions. I expect you to be working with each other, all of that. I am going to add an extension to the end of this after you finish. So just know that that extension will be coming.
Okay.
We're in slope intercept, so you'll probably be able to guess what the extension is.
With the graph it?
It's a graph.
No, I'm not that mean.
Oh.
All right, start off. Whoops.
Oh.
Where's your question go?
Here.
Who's
You
talking?
No.
Already know.
It can be, yeah. You can include it in both places if you want. You're welcome to put the
I'm just
information
gonna
in both.
do D versus PH.
That's fine. Again, as long as you know what you're talking about. This part is your notes. So, first, I want you to make a guess on your own. So, based on what you know about Domino's and Pizza Hut, just write down. Commit. What do you think? Do you think Domino's is more expensive, toppings-wise, or do you think Pizza Hut's toppings are more expensive?
Where did we
Put that in the guess.
In the guess.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
We've done this every time.
Domino's.
Domino's. Morgan, what are you choosing?
Pizza Hut.
Okay.
Go.
What'd
I
you
did
choose?
Pizza Hut also because
Oh,
they're.
so I think we're 3 and 3, aren't we? I think we're evenly split.
What are you?
Domino's.
Domino's.
Pizza. I did Pizza Hut
Pizza,
because I think
pizza, Domino's.
because they're more popular than Domino's, so maybe they put their prices up
Connor like
higher.
second guessing himself.
All right, so next, you are going to do 30 seconds on your own, which means not talking to anyone. What do you know about this problem right now? Go. I will tell you when 30 seconds is up. Anything you know. That was 30 seconds. You can talk now.
Okay. Are Domino's going to be like the same toppings? Are we looking at the same topping?
I think they do, Jacob. But
Wait.
you said that you thought Pizza Hut because
I thought Pizza Hut because they're more popular.
they're more
so-
popular, but maybe
then
they're more
raise the
popular because Domino's cost more money.
Well,
I've never.
And so they want to go with the cheaper option.
Usually the
cheaper depends-
option is worse. It depends.
It depends on what brand of toppings they're
It depends where the place
Eat
is.
Pizza Hut.
It depends where they get them.
What do you have down for what you know?
Oh, you know that we're looking for toppings.
Whoa, hold on. I hear Domino's versus Pizza Hut. We know we're looking at toppings.
They're big companies. It's 2 places.
They're big.
2 different places.
2 different places.
Couldn't think of anything else.
That's okay, and we can add to this later, right? I hear, the reason I came over is because I hear a lot of questions going on. So it sounds like we're probably ready to move on to that next box.
Yeah, probably.
So, again, 30 seconds on your own. Brainstorm anything you think you would need to know in order to solve this. And again, remember, you missed something, we can add it later. Go. Is this process starting to come back to you?
Ours
That's
was
30
it.
seconds. Compare
I
your
knew it
questions.
finished like.
I said, is it going to be
need-
the same? Is it going to be the same toppings? How big is the pizza? Is it delivery, drive up? What's the difference?
Topping source.
I just wrote how much is one pizza like total for both
Pizza
places.
price and size.
All right. Do we have all of our questions down, or do you need more time?
Think
guess
so.
Okay. We can always come back. All right. What questions do you have? Tell me.
Are they the same toppings on both pizzas?
Pizza price. Okay. Whether it's the same toppings
What
on both
toppings?
pizzas.
What amount?
What
What
the
amount?
amount of toppings going on one pizza?
Hold on. What do you mean by amount? You mean like?
Like if it's we're gonna use pepperoni
Oh,
for example.
yeah.
Like
Let's
if they
go
have a
by
certain like they only put like 25 pepperonis on a pizza.
Yeah. Or like by
But-
ounces or something.
But even if those the same topping,
might
they
be
may
different
have different
densities.
size pepperonis. So we're like, if we just go by
Because
weight,
Still,
it won't.
Okay. So regardless, the question is amount.
you
like
could
how
do
much of the
you could do
topping
either.
in one way or the other. Okay.
And then
What else?
Size of pizza.
where
size
the
of the pizza?
toppings are
Okay.
coming from?
No. First off, we know that the pizzas are coming from Domino's and Pizza Hut. We are assuming now that all toppings cost the same amount. Is that realistic?
No.
We know there are specialties and things like that. For the purpose of this, to make it easier for you, we are assuming that everything costs the same. Okay? I'm giving you, all toppings are the same. I'm giving you the prices of medium-sized pizzas at both locations. Both locations are in this area, so we're talking same population, same city, all
Bridgeton?
that. Yeah.
St. Anne, which one?
I think, well, to be honest, it was when the Pizza Hut was open over here, which was Bridgeton, and the Domino's, well, no, it was the Domino's down the street, so both Bridgeton. I do not have any information about where their product actually comes from. So you will not have information about the topping distributor. What else is in there? I know I need to show you the prices. What else is in there?
How much is a medium pizza the same size as each medium pizza?
Okay, I will show you the actual diameters as well. Those are listed on the slides.
The weight of each, like.
I do not have that. So for the purpose of what we're doing, we're assuming that the capacity is the same for both.
Okay.
I do use the same toppings.
You said medium-sized pizza?
Yeah, it'll be medium for both. I use the same size toppings, or the same toppings on purpose because you're right, like pepperoni weighs different than sausage, so it may be a different amount. So
Yeah,
like
or
both
they
of
may
them,
use bigger pepperonis.
correct.
pepperonis.
So it's actually the exact same, they're both meat, but it's the exact same meat on both.
What meat is it?
Pepperoni bacon. Okay, here's Domino's. The top one, I know it shows pepperoni on it. The top one is actually just a plain cheese pizza. It's a 12-inch pizza. It's $7.99. The bottom one is pepperoni bacon, 12-inch medium.
And we're doing our research on pepperoni bacon.
Yes, 2 toppings. Yep. So there's your cost. Make sure those get on your paper somewhere. Okay. The top one is your cheese. I know it says stuff about the crust on there. I did not change any of the default settings. So this should be the equivalent of Domino's, whatever flavor they put on their
Do
crust.
they have a diameter?
They do not on this. I'll check. I'll get it for you.
Okay, the pepperoni bacon minus the cheese, and then whatever that answer was, I divided it by 2 because there were 2 toppings, and I came out with 75 cents.
But think about this.
She said if we're estimating that they're both the same.
I know. Topping price is the same.
She said she said if we're saying that the toppings are
Well, we have to do
the
them
same.
both differently because.
Yeah, 0.75. Okay, now we got 11.99 minus
9.49.
Wait, is that for pizza?
Can we go back to Domino's?
1.25.
Wait,
I think we
75
figured it out. We figured it out.
That was
My guess is right.
that was easy.
Yeah. That was so easy. Okay. I did pepperoni bacon minus the cheese because the cheese is just the same thing except for no toppings.
Naked
Okay.
pizza.
And then whatever that answer was, I divided it by 2 because there were 2 toppings, and we're saying if they were both the same price, whatever. So I got 75 cents for Domino's and $1.25 for pizza.
Same process for Pizza Hut?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So then, here's my next question. Then I told you there was going to be an extension on here, right?
Oh, great.
Here's my next
Extension
question.
time?
It's not all the time, but this one's a good one. What if I wanted to find a way to find the cost of any number of toppings on a pizza?
Any number
Just keep
toppings?
adding this until you get
Oh my goodness. What if I wanted 30 toppings? I'm really going to keep adding 30 times?
Oh, just times it.
75.75 times 30.
Times the amount
Find
of
out how
toppings
many
you want.
one is. Oh, 3.
Write me an equation.
Go get the phone.
Okay.
What is
Okay,
our
so-
equation?
We have y.
Y,
Let's-
hold on. Y equals the number. Okay,
Y is okay. Y is the total price.
What's our M and what's our B?
plus.
Our
What was
wait,
the
our M is
Y is total price.
0.75.
So
Y is
0
N is
0.75
gonna be
Y
the number
X
of toppings.
equals X
0.75
plus
X is the number of toppings. Okay. Plus we put we put this price here because this is normal cheese. See?
Yeah.
7.99.
See?
Now we go Y is 1.25x plus 9.49. And there we go.
Put that.
Equation created.
What's going on?
So we got
Okay.
Y is the total price. That is 0.75x, which is the number per topping.
Okay,
X.
wait. So you said y is the total cost?
Y is
So
total
what's
cost.
x?
X is the amount of toppings you have. Like
Like
ama-
the number
the
of
amount of
Oh,
different
it's like
types.
whether I want
Yeah.
30 or 5.
Plus-
30 or
Yeah.
5 or
The
2
price
like
of
we're doing
cheese.
now.
Okay. So this is just the cheese pizza.
Yeah, just cheese pizza.
Uh-huh.
'Cause there's no
So
and
cheese pizza plus
Then we
however
add
many.
the toppings.
And then same here.
What if you
Yeah,
wanted
same
a
here.
barbecue pizza instead of cheese?
How many toppings do you think that would be?
Same thing.
So it's just an extra sauce.
Yeah.
Extra
So you
sauce
would
or
figure out
change the sauce?
how much the sauce
It would
is.
be different because your cheese pizza and your barbecue pizza are different prices originally. So if you wanted
Yeah.
to do a barbecue pizza with different amount of toppings on it, it would basically just be the barbecue pizza plus amount
So
of
then
toppings.
on that, if we use that, your y-intercept would change then, right?
Yeah.
The Y would be
Yeah.
different.
Okay, so we've already kind of talked about this a little bit. Are all of your toppings actually the same cost?
No,
No,
but we're making
In
them.
this case, they are.
right. So in general, this is actually how they build their models. Because you have that different cost
We
as you
just
keep
broke
adding
into
on.
the pizza system.
Basically, yeah. What is
Wait, what?
The pizza cost system. We just
well,
broke
and
it.
the next thing is we really talk about this, the y-intercept, as being the cost for the cheese pizza. Is it really just the cost for the cheese pizza?
No.
No.
What else are you paying for? Nope.
You're
No
also
tax.
paying for
Not on this.
Sauce.
Sauce.
the sauce,
Crust.
the cheese, the crust, if there's any.
Are you getting it
Deliver?
delivered?
If there's
The
anything
labor,
inside of the crust.
delivery fee isn't on here. No tax, no delivery on
If you
this.
put cheese inside of the crust.
Let's
like
go
a
back,
stuffed
but let's go
toast.
back. Let's go back because what Jacob said is really important. $7.99 is real expensive for just a plain cheese pizza with cheese, sauce, and crust, right? But you're including all of the labor, so you have to pay your employees, right? Is $7 going to get you a lot of money for your employees?
Nope.
Nope. What else do you have to pay for?
Tax.
Topping.
You have to
They
pay
have
for
to pay
the
property
like
tax.
electricity and like
They
the
have-
things
yep.
to make it.
We all had to pay for water, electricity, and sewer. Anytime you flush the
Gas.
toilet, that's also money.
They should-
Gas,
they
if
might
they
have
have
gas.
gas for the ovens, I assume they would.
And they like if a thing breaks,
Some
they have to
places
have
might
money to
have wood
replace
burning
it.
stoves.
You need to have those are called incidentals. You'll have to have all of those costs. That is all bundled into that $7.99 and $9.49. So who do you think has higher operating costs, or what we cost those?
The
Pizza Hut.
Based on what we see, it kind of looks like Pizza Hut.
Unless they sell
like
more.
I said.
True, and maybe Domino's. Maybe Jacob's right.
Maybe
Maybe
they
Domino's
Domino's
sells
has
more.
a higher,
They realize
has a higher
they can lower their
selling
prices.
rate.
Yeah,
They have
and
a higher
which
selling
means
rate, so they
More
lower.
money.
Right.
Because they
It would break
in
even.
turn.
They're
They're
so
also cheaper.
they're more
They're
popular.
also cheaper because
Yeah.
they
All right. So for your sequential paragraph, I want you to, again, just since we haven't done this in a while, you're going to first tell me the solution you got. That's your intro. Then you tell me how you got that, step by step. So the way Regan spoke it to me is what you need to write on your paper. At the end, you tell me whether it's correct or not. I would actually like you also at that end, just give me one sentence explaining how you wrote your equation, just because that's cool.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
What if we don't have space?
You are welcome to grab loose leaf. It's over in the tray.